Here we have this 20 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE45E M Sport. Comes with the LED headlights, we've got the kidney grills in the centre, we've also got the carbon front splitter as you can see there, which looks absolutely incredible. Front and rear parking sensors with a rear reversing camera with 360 cameras also on this vehicle. We've also got the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels with the blue calipers behind. This vehicle also has the air suspension, so you've got the access level, the normal height, and then you have off-road height. We've also got the panoramic glass sunroof, which is currently open, and we've also got the sky lounge from the inside where the glass goes further back. Privacy glass at the rear for the passengers with the black trim on the outside, colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We've also got the carbon side skirts. There's another look at a wheel, and then we've got the carbon diffuser at the back, and we've also got the carbon spoiler there. Look at that, that looks absolutely incredible. Onto the rear you can see we've got the dual exit exhaust and the parking sensors running across the bottom of the bumper. This vehicle really does look great from every angle. Now this vehicle comes free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So as we take a look at the rear interior, you'll be able to see we've got the all black leather seats with the Isofix points and the armrest in the centre. We've also got the heated rear seats as well for the passengers. Electric windows, and we've also got the blind on the window just there also. Onto the front, you can see we've got the same styling front seats, all black leather. Both of these seats are heated and electrically adjustable, and there is the adjustable function there on the side. We've also got the memory function for both front seats, so you can also do the passenger seat on the door as well here. We've got the electric windows with the electric side mirrors, child lock at the rear, premium Harman Kardon sound system. We've got the automatic lights with the automatic wipers and the multifunctional steering wheel. As I take a seat inside this vehicle and turn it on, my foot is on the brake, press the start button, and as you can see on the dashboard, we're free from any warning lights. We've got the adaptive cruise control and speed limiter here with the lane assist. We've also got the paddle shift behind. Onto the right hand side we've got the volume button with the heads up display menu button there. So if I just press this and zoom in a little bit and try and get it to focus, you can see it's got the radio, music and the miles an hour as well. Now just remember, this is flickering and that is just for the purpose of the video. It does not happen in real light, and that is the same with this screen. We've got the satellite navigation there. We've also got the DAB radio and the Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now if I just go to the home menu, and if we just go all the way down to the bottom to apps, you can see that this car has a couple of apps itself installed into the vehicle. If we just go back onto there, and you'll also be able to see it has the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Back into the home screen, onto the car, onto the settings, and you'll be able to see that we've got the interior lighting as well. So that's ambient lighting, and you can change the colour of this. It goes all the way from bronze all the way down to lilac. Now if we just go back a second, and if we just go to the driver assistance, now you can press this button normally or you can do it in the settings, but basically this gives you the indication of the front collision, side collision and also the lane departure, which basically means that this vehicle is very safe on the road. We've also got the dual climate control with the heated seats on both sides, heated rear window with the air conditioning also. We've also got the wireless phone charging, heated and cooled. So if I just press that, you can see that it goes blue for cooled, and if you press it again, it goes red for heated, just to show you that they both work there. We've also got the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes. So if we just press this button, comes up on screen all the different drive modes in which this vehicle can be driven. Now I'm just going to pop this vehicle into reverse, and as you can see, we've got the rear reversing camera there, and we've also got the 360 display just there. Popping it back into neutral and making it safe. Now we've also got this here which rises and lowers the air suspension. So as you just press this on there, you can see that it goes down a few, or you can rise it all the way to the top, but it will come up on the screen there and it will give you the ground clearance. Now that's all I'm going to show you guys today. For more information on this vehicle, you can head to the website or give our sales team a call. This car comes with a fresh MOT and a fresh service and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.